If you've been on a film set, you might have heard the terms smart slate or dummy slate. Today, I'm going to explain the differences between the two and why one is preferred on professional sets. But first, what is a film slate? In its simplest form, a slate is how you sync cameras and audio recorders. This mark is something that not only can be seen in your camera, but can be heard in your audio waveforms, giving you a precise frame where the two can be synced, making the post-process all the easier. Both smart and dumb film slates have sections for information such as scene and take numbers, which we go into more detail on in this video here. Where they differ is that a smart slate uses electronics while the other does not. The cost between the two can be significant, so what do you really get for the additional price? Timecode and metadata. A smart slate accurately generates and displays the production's timecode so the editor can visually see their sync point in addition to the waveform and visual mark. Being a timecode generator, it'll allow you to jam sync all of your other devices on set, or if you have the matching Deity TC1s, you can sync wirelessly, embedding timecode in all of your devices. With all of your devices now having timecode, your editor can use their workstation's sync by timecode feature rather than syncing the audio by hand, saving them loads of time. A smart slate like the TC-SL1 also has custom metadata features that allow you to pack additional information into your shot. Using the app, you can input 3 lines of 8 characters each, allowing you to keep track of camera filters, frame rate changes, cameras, or anything else your production might need. Hopefully this tutorial has cleared up the differences between a smart slate and a dummy slate. If you have any questions you want us to tackle in future videos, please list them in the comments below. Until next time, happy shooting.